support does not go unnoticed. I want to thank all of you guys, to my new subs. I truly thank you guys for joining the team, and I will not disappoint. And guys, yes, as you can see behind me, we're going to be making a video on how we can achieve this flower wall. So guys, please stay tuned for that, and also the sponsorship or promotion for these babes. But so before we get into this video, make sure that if you have not subscribe, please go ahead and do that. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and all the details to everything that I'm using will be down in the description box. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so basically, as you can see, I was going to do a total of 4 boards, but I ran out of flowers and I'm just not able to find any more flowers, so I decided that I'm just going to do the 2 that are provided in this video right here. And basically, as you can see, I'm almost finished, and I just wanted to basically bring you guys and show you the way that you can create your own flower wall on a budget. Guys, all of these products that you will be seeing in the video are from Dollar Tree. From the boards to the flowers, I looked up on Dollar Tree, and they had all these great and pretty colorful flowers, and it was basically just going with the theme and with the colors that I wanted it to be. And guys, in this video, I'm just basically using a hot glue gun. You can find one at your local Walmart or whatever stores you have surrounding you for pretty cheap. I think the glue gun was probably like $2.97, and of course you have to buy the glue sticks separately, but I did buy the glue gun that was in a pack, and they provided me with a few, if I don't believe, because I have had this for some years. So as you can see, I'm just taking the end of the flower that I tore off the stem and basically just punching holes in the board so that once I put the hot glue on it, the flower can just stick, as you can see, just like I just did. And yeah, basically just do this throughout the entire process, and you can just have a beautiful flower wall just like me. But for the results, please make sure that you watch this video in its entirety, and I hope that you enjoy it. Okay guys, as you can see, this process can be a little lengthy, so I had made it up until this point when I realized that I just wanted to go ahead and kind of fill the outside of the board so it wouldn't take as long, and I basically just place them like in the middle and just go ahead and it'll fill really quickly. Guys, I'm so satisfied and super excited about this, because just thinking of the fact that I'll have a new background now is just so excited, and I didn't have to pay that much money. I paid probably a little under $100 for this project, and yeah. Offer rather, and I absolutely love this wig. I am actually going to put this description to this wig down in the description box so you guys can make sure that you go and shop and get this wig. Girl, you know your hair does not be done all the time, so sometimes you can just have this braided cap wig and you can put it on when nothing is done to your hair, and girl, you can have a whole set of braids and nobody will ever know.